our own now celebrities. I would like you to comment. एक तो ये कि I just comment क्या ही करना है. Sajal was on a holiday, I think, with Saboor and her family, and she wore a white look, which I really loved, and I just saved the picture because I thought it was so effortlessly cool. You know, with her hair up and the glasses and the chudidar and the really beautiful chicken ka kurta with the bangles. She just looked really nice. And I thought ये तस्वीर तो मैं सेव कर ही लूँ. मैंने कर ली और मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ. I hope you agree with me. लेकिन what I want you to comment on is Sajal's pixie haircut.
I think lovely. I think lovely. But is it a haircut or is it a wig?
You tell me.
Is what I would like to understand, because I remember when she was trying something for Bakhtavar.
Bakhtavar was Yumna Sethi.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So I think this is. I think this is a haircut.
You have to elaborate that now.
No.
She was trying out for. She was also. No, what are you saying?
I don't know. This is.
Are you saying this is an old picture?
I think this is an old picture. I think this is an old picture.
Has anyone seen Sajal in real life right now?
I don't think so.
I personally really doubt that she's going to cut her hair.
I don't think it's this short at all. I wish this was so pixie. I would have really.
I mean, I saw
gone
the picture
out of the
and
way
I was
to.
like, oh my god, with the liner, she looks almost like Audrey Hepburn.
Yeah,
on the side, you know?
she
It's
do
like really
she does
chic.
look like, yeah.
Looks very very chic.
Yeah.
But
she
I
does
really
look like.
doubt it because I mean, आपके
I
ड्रामों में
know.
फिर क्या हर ड्रामे में वो wig पहनेंगी? Because pixie cut तो
तो
नहीं
वो
चलेगा.
pixie की wig भी हो सकती है.
I mean, Rabia from the northern areas cannot have a pixie cut.
Yeah.
So
Zanjeer, right?
Zanjeer.
Zanjeer, हाँ.
Yeah. So it's a brave.
It's a brave
if
move,
she's
but I
there.
don't think this
don't
is
think
a
a reality.
no. If it is, then wow, amazing.
मैंने सोचा मैं क्या बाल काटे किसने काटे हैं पहली बात तो ये कि who cut it, who cut her hair? Wouldn't that person like put up like a lot of footage of cutting Sajal's hair? Like I know that Saboor has gotten a bob cut.
This is 3 years ago, I think.
Oh, you थे अच्छा
I
यार खुल
think
के
so.
बोलें आप क्यों घबरा क्यों नहीं खुल के बोलें
मेरे पास पता नहीं.
नहीं तो क्या 3-4 years ago ये wig
3 years
है
ago,
या
3 years
3 years
ago.
ago बाल कटवाए थे उन्होंने?
I think this is wig. This is wig.
Okay.
This is some photo shoot. You can tell, you know, the collar and everything.
Yeah.
Where I think ये बहुत fit होता जब वो यमुना जो है वो बख्तावर में बॉय बनी थी ना, that sequence बहुत fit बैठता इस look के लिए. यमुना में बहुत अच्छा किया था. यमुना ने actually बहुत अच्छा किया था.
बहुत अच्छा किया था.
हाँ, she was amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
अच्छा मैं अब after Sajal I want to also hop back across to the Met Gala again और जहाँ हम symbolism की in clothing और style में की बात कर रहे हैं जहाँ बहुत literal translation की बात कर रहे हैं I really liked Anne Hathaway's dress. I don't know whether you remember
Which
it or
one?
not. And for the Met Gala. For the Met
Okay.
Gala, she was wearing a black and white constructed Michael Kors dress, and it was hand painted as homage to John Keats' poems. Whether it was the Ode to the Nightingale, or you know, I think of Beauty is a Joy Forever, Ode to Beauty. तो उसमें जो symbols थे hand painted dress पे, they picked up from John Keats' poetry. तो ना वो बहुत literal था, ना वो बहुत
There's a difference
abstract
between
था.
inspiration and a chapa.
Literal, like you know.
Like a copy paste, you know, copy paste in terms of कि हाँ वो मैंने जैसे करण जौहर के उसके ऊपर copy paste हुआ हुआ है.
Copy paste हुआ हुआ है.
ठीक है, which is of course that was an art created specifically for painting, and that was, you know, वो उससे inspiration लेके you can't do because that would be cheating actually.
Yeah. But hers is a good example of how you take inspiration from an artist and recreate it.
Yes.
And also now moving to Cannes, and let's talk about Alia Bhatt's look because Alia's there looking beautiful. One of her gowns, that beautiful hand painted ball gown that she's wearing. I've written the names because I don't want to. Yash Patel ball gown, painted by an artist called Basuri Chokshi, and it's painted in the lavender fields. It's like wispy white, and it's literally like a Monet painting. And of course, it's an ode to the French Riviera. And अगर आप मोने देखें या वैन गो देखें, उन सबकी पेंटिंग्स, इम्प्रेशनिज्म जो है वो सारी ऐसी है, बहुत खूबसूरत, बहुत बहुत खूबसूरत. दिस इज वन ऑफ माय favorite Alia Bhatt looks, and also a good way to translate art onto fashion and style. Photographed so well, baal bande hue, one necklace, one neck piece, statement, the lavender and the grass green and the white. It was
Very
just, oh my
beautiful, and
God.
I love the can inside.
Oh,
Was really,
beautiful,
really,
beautiful
really
outfit.
lovely.
I absolutely loved
Yeah.
it. You know, it's like the there needs to be okay, if you're paying homage to art, your outfit also needs to be a work of art. It can't just stop with an embroidered symbol. या आपने एक चीज embroider कर दिया, आपने कहा oh we've done it. No, that's very literal. It's when you take it and you recreate it is when it becomes style. And I thought this look was beautiful.
It
I
was
loved
beautiful. I
and
loved
it's
it.
hand painted.
It's beautiful.
It's hand
I loved
painted.
it.
It's beautiful. So what do you think about Alia's
This was
ivory
this
outfit?
Tarun outfit, right?
As I just said, it's a custom Tarun Talyani outfit.
I think very beautiful. I think the necklines are very similar here than the one that you showed just now. Then the pink one,
The
you know, the
Tamara Ralph
neckline.
one, yeah.
The neckline is very similar. So the outfit is not looking very different. Like the silhouette wise, the voto, you know, it was a dress. Then there was a gown with a like a shrug on top. Then this is like more of a sari inspired kind of silhouette. अच्छा है, it's nice. I love the. But what fabric is this? What I would like to understand.
It's silk.
This is not silk. Is this silk?
It is
It's
silk.
very beautiful.
अच्छा, I really like it.
I
अभी
love the
तस्वीर में
detailing.
movement नहीं नजर आ रही, but
Yeah.
it's basically a dhoti skirt.
Yeah,
It's a dhoti skirt with a corseted top.
I think very
A
beautiful.
gown, fully embroidered, embellished.
Yeah.
The effect is a sari, but it's a gown.
Yes.
A corseted gown. और फिर उनकी जो embellishments थी, सारी embellishment कहती हैं, accessories जो थी, she did the nuts, which I love.
Yeah.
She did the bindi, very small bindi. She did a very heavy pile underneath. So, you know, she brought in India, she brought in the sari, but she did it in a Western, not essentially a Western, but a contemporary way.
In a contemporary
In
way.
a contemporary way. So, मुझे
I
बहुत
liked
अच्छा
it a
लगा.
lot.
हाथ फूल भी था.
I think it was sari fabric. It was silk sari converted into a gown.
I don't know, maybe.
It looks
perhaps,
like, yeah.
perhaps.
Because ये देखिए ना पल्लू इसका जो है वो पूरा बना हुआ है,
मेरे
which is
ख्याल है
very
कि
beautiful.
it was custom made. मेरा नहीं ख्याल साड़ी से बना है.
I think ये साड़ी होगी, उसको deconstruct किया है
But
इन्होंने.
it was very nice and
ये मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया, but हाँ.
ऐसी चीजें हैं जो समझ नहीं आ रही, जैसे
हाँ.
he's talking about the little bolt of lightning on the shoulder.
Yes, yes.
तो ऐसी बातें हैं, लेकिन on the whole impact outfit का बहुत अच्छा है.
अच्छा, it's very
अच्छा, the
beautiful.
most talked about thing was the blush pink dress that she wore on the red carpet,
Yes.
which was a Tamara Ralph outfit. What do you say
लेकिन
about?
इधर भी ना same
हाँ.
neckline, फिर
ये तो
इधर
अच्छी
भी
भी नहीं है.
इधर भी same neckline.
हाँ.
The neckline is not changing.
No, that's true. Even the one that she was most photographed in, the last one. I don't know why people can't. Okay, yeah, this one.
I think ये बहुत अच्छा outfit था. It was my most favorite
like this
outfit.
the best?
Yes, I like her in this. It's very beautiful.
Neckline वही है लेकिन.
Neckline वही है, but I like this better than anything that she wore actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because
But then yeah, I like the color on her. I like the clean effect of it. Less is more. You know, I like makeup बहुत
wearing
ज़्यादा करती हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा करती हैं
Amrapali
makeup.
jewels.
हाँ.
Actually, for me, this is like any regular red carpet.
बट अगर आप ये आउटफिट रखें और अगर आप तरुण वाला आउटफिट रखें, the neckline is
It's similar.
exactly.
Yeah.
Then if you look at this and you look at the painting वाला outfit,
ये तो बहुत बुरा है. Lavender, we talk about the lavender.
हाँ
top.
बहुत बुरा था.
ये बाकी
अच्छा,
कुछ और दे, मैं तो पता
फिर
नहीं
ये
सही
तो
कुछ
पता नहीं क्या ही है.
हाँ.
बट हाँ, I
अच्छा,
think
for me,
I think
the
दीपिका
column-
की जो looks थी ना, मुझे over the years at Cannes and कुछ ऐश थोड़ा पर्पल लिप कलर लगा के आ जाती थी कभी कभार.
Yeah, all said and done, Aishwarya Rai is an icon.
Yes,
Whenever
she's an
she stepped
icon,
on the red
indeed.
carpet,
She's
people
amazing.
turned, they
Thank you.
photographed,
For
and
me?
they talked about it. You could love her looks and you can hate them, and she's done some really
This is
garish
for
looks as well.
Amna.
Thank you. Some awful tinsel town वाली look जो बहुत बुरी थी.
हाँ.
मगर यार Aishwarya Rai is Aishwarya
Iconic,
Rai.
हाँ.
Iconic है.
Yes.
The same goes for Deepika. I personally really like Alia Bhatt. But the thing is that for me, this blush pink dress was any other dress.
बिल्कुल.
It was not standout.
Yeah,
It was not standout.
Yeah,
The
it was
standout
not.
moment नहीं थे.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
नहीं थे. हुसैन रेहार का डेब्यू हुआ
हाँ,
और
हाँ.
सनम सईद का डेब्यू
हाँ,
हुआ
हाँ,
at Cannes this year.
बिल्कुल.
And